Gentlemen with prostate issues, with prostate cancer, with overgrown prostates, right? Your number one enemy that you have to address is something called DHT. DHT stands for dihydrotestosterone. Normally this chemical is good for you, but if you have too much of it, then what happens is that you get an increased growth of your prostate. This is why you're peeing every single night. You can't get good sleep because you're constantly waking up and urinating, right? It's because your prostate is abnormally large because of the high amounts of DHT, right? So DHT is also important normally for sexual functions, for the quality of your vitality. But when it's too much in your body, then it now becomes a nuisance to you and your prostate. So how do we now get those DHT levels lower so that you could dodge the prostate cancer, so that you could dodge the enlarged prostates, right? How do we get the DHT levels lower? The number one thing you're going to need that is very important for DHT proper functioning, the mineral zinc and the mineral iron. Very important to you, right? And the best herbs to find these minerals that's going to give you the proper functioning of testes to make your DHT, right? And the proper production of DHT is herbs like cheney root, herbs like Jamaican strongback, herbs like shamy old lady, shamamaka, right? Herbs like horny goat, sarsaparilla. All of these herbs grow in soils that are filled with minerals, filled with mineral carbon and iron. This comes from the red dirt of the islands. It's going to be incredibly hard to get these minerals with the standard diet, considering that the soils are depleted in many of our farms and we're using nitrogenous chemical fertilization. So it's going to be very hard to find those minerals in the normal diet. That's why we need to go to herbs that grow in carbonated, mineralized soils. And these herbs, like I said, the cheney root, strongback, and the horny goat, right? So that will now lower your DHT level. That will now give you healthy DHT production. That will now give your testes what it needs to make proper hormones, and it's gonna now make your body able to function properly. So for men with prostate issues, DHT is the number one issue. The way to combat that is by consuming, supplementing with herbs full of zinc and iron.